With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. Question says that two particles of de Broglie wavelength lambda x and lambda y are moving in opposite direction. Find de Broglie wavelength after perfectly inelastic collision. In order to solve this question, we must know the momentum of de Broglie particle having de Broglie wavelength. So momentum of particle having de Broglie wavelength is h by lambda. Okay, and where h is Planck's constant. Okay, now in case of inelastic collision, perfectly inelastic collision, after collision the particles will travel with same wavelength same wavelength. Okay, suppose there is a particle which is particle A having the wavelength lambda x and another particle which is B which has a de Broglie wavelength lambda y, and these are moving in opposite direction, that is towards each other. Okay, so when both will collide, they will move with the same wavelength in a particular direction. Okay, so if we apply the conservation of momentum, we can write applying conservation of momentum. So we can write for particle A, we can write h by lambda x plus, because both are moving in opposite direction, so if we are taking this one as plus, then we have to take this one as minus, so it will be minus h by lambda y. Okay, so this will be equal to h by lambda, because after the collision both will move with the same wavelength. So if we take here h common, it will be 1 by lambda x, and here it will be 1 by lambda y. We can write here h by lambda. So here we can see that h and h both are cancelled out, and if we solve for 1 by lambda, it will be equal to lambda x into lambda y, and here lambda y minus lambda x. So here we can say that lambda is lambda x into lambda y divided by lambda y minus lambda x. Okay, now here we see that in the bottom part we are taking difference, that is y, lambda y minus lambda x, and we have assumed that the particle A is moving in this direction and particle B is moving in this direction, and we have taken lambda x and this one lambda y. Suppose we take lambda y this side and lambda x that side, then again the quantity here will come lambda x minus lambda y. So for that we can write lambda x into lambda y divided by lambda x minus lambda y. In the both cases we'll get the lambda. Okay, so because this is the difference only and we have to make the sign positive, so we can do one thing. We can write lambda equal to lambda x into lambda y divided by mod lambda x minus lambda y. Okay, it only depends that in which direction we are taking negative. So difference will be always the same, only sign will change. So if we apply the mode, the sign will become positive and we'll get the right answer. So if you see the option A is the correct answer, so we can write the correct answer is lambda equal to lambda x into lambda y divided by mod lambda x minus lambda y. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.